right. Well, to get started, I'm going to have you both answer this question, but Travis, we can start with you, which is if you can give us sort of an overview of how your delivery system is set up. So how many drivers, how many vehicles, do all your clothes come back to one place to process, or do you do multiple? So if you can give kind of an overview of how your delivery system is set up.
So we have two vehicles. We have a box truck and we have a minivan. And the box truck typically does our larger custom business laundry, and the minivan does the mix of the residential and the small business laundry. And then we have two locations that we drop off at. One is our cleaners, which is, think of an OPL, on-premise laundry, or like a commercial back-of-house laundromat. The other is the actual retail laundry store. And between two vehicles, I have roughly 4 to 6 drivers on average. I have one full-time, and then I have the rest do part-time. We do deliveries Monday through Saturday every week. So managing that does take time to do the maintenance on the tires and the fueling and the gas cards when you have 6 people that are all sharing 2 vehicles. And you have really 3 types of accounts. We have the residential, small business, and then the custom commercial laundry. So learning the accounts does take time for the drivers to where to go, each location, and where to drop off the laundry when they pick it up.
Great, thanks, Travis. Beck, same question. If you can kind of give an overview of the delivery system for Laundromat.
Yeah, of course. So we have about in Charlotte, which is our largest operation, we have about 16 vans. On any given day, we'll have 14 or 15 of those on the road. We have a couple extras that we keep just as we have vans go down for routine maintenance and things like that, so that we don't hinder our ability to service all of our customers. And how our routes work is the morning. So when drivers come in at 9 a.m. until the early afternoon around like 1, 2 o'clock, those are all pickups. So they're going out in the morning and they're picking up all of the dirty clothes that our customers have left out for their scheduled pickups. And then they're going to our cleaning facility. So they'll go to our Laundrolabs. Most drivers only go to one Laundrolab, but we do have multiple in the Charlotte market. So certain drivers will go to one, certain drivers will go to another, whichever one's closer. And they'll also go to our dry cleaning partners. We don't do any of the dry cleaning in-house. We have a relationship from a wholesale standpoint with dry cleaning vendors. So they'll go to the dry cleaners as well. At that point, they basically trade. So they're dropping off the dirty that they just picked up with the cleaning facility, and they're picking up the clean from that cleaning facility that was cleaned the previous day. And then the latter half of their day, everything after that until 5, 6 p.m., whenever they finish up their routes, those are all the deliveries. So they're going through and doing all the deliveries. And we operate with a 1-day turnaround on everything, with pickups Monday through Friday and drop-offs Tuesday through Saturday.